Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit text size and font in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you can do is go to the official Adobe website right here, /Acrobat, open up the product section and get started downloading the program. So once you've downloaded and installed the program, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this home page, you're going to have the recommended tools for you option. This is going to enable you to use the edit option right here. This is great for beginners. If you're not familiar with the program, you can just click edit right here. That's going to enable you to modify your edit text. And as you can see, you're going to need Acrobat Pro for this. You cannot edit your PDF files with a free version of the application. You're going to need either a free trial or the Acrobat Pro version that's going to enable you to edit your PDF. So once you have gotten that ready, we can now get started following this article right here on the official Adobe website on how to change the font size in a PDF. So what I suggest for you to do is go ahead and find this article for yourself. You can go ahead and Google it and then follow the steps right here on changing the font size, where you can go ahead and click the edit button right here for the PDF, and it's going to open it up in editor mode, and then you can get started following the steps step by step and get started with changing the font size in any PDF that you want. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.